Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video, man. So I know you guys been wanting to update on the truck, so here it is, guys. Today we actually installed a new mod, and I want to show you guys. I will not be showing you guys the installing process. The video will take longer than what I need it to be, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it look like, and I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the truck because I know y'all haven't really been seeing the truck on the channel. So with that being said, man, let's go ahead and get a walk around of the Chevy S10 and show y'all the new mod that I installed. All right, y'all. So if you new stopping in, guys, I know you probably don't know really too much about this truck. It is a 1996 Chevy S10. I've been having it for 10 years now, and I absolutely love this truck. This is one of my best vehicles that I like to drive, that I really love to drive. And yeah, it's been here a long time, guys. So just giving y'all a little update. I will be changing some things out of the truck. Like I got a little rust spot there, rust hole. I got some painting and body work to do on this truck. I will be going with the nice gloss look, and possibly new wheels coming too, guys. These been on here for years, and they're starting to lose the chrome now. So definitely, if you got chrome wheels and you guys been having them for a very long time, you might want to go ahead and change them out because these are discontinued anyways. So I can't order another set of these type of wheels. So yeah, man, we got to take them off and put something else on. But you're not Chevy gang if you don't have this license plate right there, guys. You're not Chevy gang, man. So you gotta have that license plate if you're Chevy gang. But let me go ahead and show y'all the inside, man. Show y'all what I've done. I did a dash swap, 2012 Chevy Cruze, and the reason why I did that, guys, is because they offer the Tesla screen for the dash now. So I wanted that new look, the new style of the look in here. So couple things more I got to do to this truck. I will be getting the seat redone because I wanted like a diamond stitch in the middle portion of the seat, and I want chrome cup holders right there in the middle, just to give it a new look, guys. And also I want to change out the doors because, as you guys can see here, the paint is chipping. I did this a long time ago when I bought the truck. I wanted a different color, so I went on ahead and painted it myself. We got tweeters in the doors. We got infinity speakers. Those speakers are really good, guys. You want to get those if you looking for quality sound. But yes, and then also we have a sunroof put in. You know what I'm saying? I did that maybe 2 years ago. Still working, doing pretty good. I installed a billet steering wheel from Billet Specialist. I love the steering wheel, guys. It just goes with this truck, gives it that nice old school feel. Got the flat bottom as well for racing, and this truck is a standard, guys. So yeah, I love this truck, guys. It brings me back to humbleness. I love it. And like I said, guys, it's been with me forever, man. So we did a lot to this truck over the years. You know, we did the LED headlights. So I know a lot of you guys ask me where I get those headlights from. I ordered them from eBay, and they wasn't that much, man. I think I bought like a pair for like 60 bucks. So it wasn't that much, guys, and they still work. They've been in there for, man, years, and they still work, guys. So I don't have a link. Like I said, you just want to go on eBay, shop around, look around. They might still have them, they might still not. They might you know, outgrew them on the website, so they might not be on there no more. But yeah, man, I love this truck, man. We got a lot of work still, but it's coming together. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the mod that I've done, the new mod. And I know you guys probably gonna laugh at me, but hey, it is what it is, man. Yes, we installed some fake rotors, drilled slaughter rotors, man, and I'm gonna show y'all what they look like, man. You want to go on eBay. They are on eBay, and they are coming from China if you order them. And these are for like the drum guys, the back drum guys. This looks good. You know what I'm saying? I don't care what anybody say, you know, that they fake or whatever. Hey, this is gonna do for now. I'm not rich. I'm just, you know, trying to do what I can. But yes, guys, those look nice, and I will show y'all the box and everything where they came from, so you guys can order some for yourself, man. So hold on just a second, man. So you want to go on eBay and you want to type in disc brake rotor covers, man, and then you can get them. And this is how they're gonna look when they come in the box. When they come in, they're gonna look like this. They got the plastic deal, and you're gonna get 4. You're gonna get 4, guys, and they look absolutely good, man. I love the way they look. They turn out pretty good. The finish looks really good. Now I do have the real drilled slaughtered rotors in the front, so the fronts are real. But yeah, we're going with the fake ones for now, guys. So you just got to do what you can, man. If you're not rich, hey, just got to do what you got to do, man. Don't try to, you know, outdo yourself, you know, try to outdo anybody, man. Hey, you get what you get, you buy what you buy, you pay for what you pay for. Hey, it is what it is. At the end of the day, it's your car. Don't worry about nobody and what they got to say about your build, because you're building it and they not, man. It's your money. So but yeah, man, that looks good. I like the way it look. I still have to tighten these up. So yeah, man. So with that being said, guys, I will be doing the other side, and then after that I will show y'all the finished product of the fake drilled slaughtered rotors, man, that we put on this truck, man. So hey, if you stopping in for the very first time, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also share the video, man, so everybody in the world can see what I'm doing to these vehicles, man. But with that being said, I appreciate you guys. Let's go ahead and get the other side installed, and then I'll show y'all the after effect, what we got going on, y'all. So hey, King's Life, I'll see y'all in a minute.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, pass that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it below. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a but I never get feelings to shorty, I know what you after. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
Yeah, it was a little bit of work right there, man. It's hot outside today. As you guys can see, I am sweating. But yeah, man, right now I'm about to give y'all a walk around, show y'all the finished product, and then that's gonna be it for the video, guys. So with that being said, let's turn this camera around and show y'all what I got, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Yes, sir, man. And they just covers, guys, for right now. But they will get some new ones on there, and I will put the real ones, like I put the real ones in the front. So y'all just stay tuned, man. But yeah, sometime this week, guys, I will get a some driving footage of this truck, so y'all can see it on the road. But it absolutely came out pretty good, so y'all give it a like, please. And yeah, like I said, guys, this truck is not perfect. We will be doing a lot of upgradings to this thing, so y'all stay tuned, man. And yeah, we're gonna keep moving up, man, keep growing. But I'm gonna show y'all the inside again, just in case if you're new stopping in. And let me start it up for y'all, man, so y'all can look at the whole shebang, man, in here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, y'all see I got the big Tesla screen right there, guys. It's got navigation, it's got everything that you would want in a radio in this truck, man. So it looks good, man. I love the way it turned out. everything in here. I still have a couple of things I need to work on, which is this. I just haven't made time to fix that. I gotta just push it in. And then I got some other things I want to do. I gotta clean up a little bit in here, and going pretty smooth, guys. Also, I do have the pillar pods. I just haven't found a shop that can install them for me, guys. But I do have to paint the pillar pod first, because I want to paint it red to match the interior. So like I said, I just haven't did that yet because I haven't really found a shop that can, you know, do me right and get me out the door. So I just been waiting on that, guys. But other than that, I will be painting those pods probably later on this week, so y'all just stay tuned. Yeah, just wait for the video, guys. And yeah, this is your boy King's Life checking out with another video, man. I'm out, and y'all stay safe out there, man. Stay motivated in each way, man. Stay positive. And King's Life, man, I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it. Yeah. Middle fingers up, I don't care about opinions. Yeah. I ain't more concerned with stacking these figures. Yeah. No, I'm not concerned with none of these bitches. Yeah. She called my phone and I ain't trying to hear it. I'm on the way right now. I'm making plays right now. We making waves right now. What can they say right now? I'm on the way. We making plays. I'm on the way. We making waves. I'm on the way. We making plays.